guys, welcome back to the coding part. So in the previous video, we have been learning what is for loops. And in today's video, we are going to be doing how to be using them. We're going to go ahead and open our Replit and run this code. So as you can see, I gave this line in the green color means the hashtag that the following code will run a for loop. This one. So for number in range 1 to 6, we're going to go ahead and print number. So, it will run a for loop and the numbers 1 to 5. Why? Because the last number is always excluded. So that's why if you want to print 1 to 5, we have to write 1 to 6. 1 to 100 if you want to write, then you'll have to print 1 to 1, 0 and 1. Now as you can see, there is number over here too. If you're wondering that what if we change it, will it be an error or will it work? Well, you can try that experiment at home and tell me what are your outputs. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the other code, which is going to be that this below code will print high 5 times. So now for number in range, we're going to print 1 to 6. Like 1 to 6 means 1 to 5, we're going to print high. Why? Because you want to send like you want to spam messages to your friends chat. You want to try and annoy them. And if you're a coder and want to do it, the specific way, you can just on your applet do this code and then it will print high 5 times. Now I'm gonna make a square just like a programmer. How is that? So first of all, we're gonna import the turtle library. We're gonna store in the variable called t and turtle dot capital T turtle. Since it's a function, we'll add the round bracket, means the parentheses. Now for step in range. Now you must be wondering, step and number. So, well, let me tell you. Number is basically for numbers when you want to print something that many times. Like, number, it uses number. Of course, step also uses number, but it is doing on this white area, which is requiring the turtle. So that's why there are, different, there are numbers and step. So for step in range 1 to 5 means 4 times. We're gonna make turtle move forward 40 steps and rotate left 90 steps. So now let's move on in running the code. As you can see, 1 to 5 is printed over here. High is printed 5 times, and just with a for loop statement, we created a really cute small square. Now we're going to be moving on to activity number 1, which is going to be in the next video. So stay tuned till then.